Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Tulika, health and nutrition life coach. I'm here to help you guys live a happy and healthy life. Today I'm going to show you some most effective abs workout which will help you to reduce your belly fat. I have got so many requests for this particular topic and that's why I'm making this video for you guys. Belly fat is the most stubborn fat in our body and it's not easy to get rid of this. So we have to focus on this particular area. But before starting this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Always find an exercise mat that feels comfortable. You will want a mat that has some thickness but it's also firm. Toe taps. Lie down on the floor. Lift legs until legs are perpendicular with the floor. Fully extend your arms above you. Try to reach for your toes with your hands. Return to starting position. Continue. You have to do it in 30 repetitions. If you feel that you can't continue for 30 repetitions, then divide it into 3 sets. Take 10 seconds break after 10 repetitions means 1 set. Despite the name, you don't need to reach your toes for this move to be effective. Push yourself to touch your toe and continue. And keep breathing with the movement. Scissors. Lie on your back on the mat with your legs extended out in front of you. Place your arms by your sides, palms down. You can also place your hands under your glutes below. Engage your core by pressing your lower back into the mat and tucking your pelvis. Maintain this position during the entire movement. With your core tight and neck relaxed, lift one leg off the ground, a 90-degree angle from the starting position. Lower the leg towards the floor as you lift the other leg up. Continue the scissoring motion by slowing switching your legs up and down. Dead bugs. Allow your shoulders and lower back to fall heavy to the floor. Draw your shoulders down away from your ears. To get into the starting position, lift your hands so your elbows are above your shoulders with your fists facing in towards each other. Lift your legs so your knees are directly over your hips. On an exhale, slowly lower your right arm and left leg until they are just above the floor. On an inhale, bring them back to the starting position. Repeat on the opposite side, and that is 1 repetition. As I said before, if you can't continue for 30 repetitions, then divide it into 3 sets. 1 set means 10 repetitions. After every 10 repetitions, take 10 seconds rest. The dead bug exercise is a popular way to build core strength and stabilization. The dead bug might seem quite easy for the first couple of reps, but after few repetitions, you will feel the stretch on your abs. And I think this is the most effective ab exercise. Don't quit, you can do it. Push yourself to your limit. After every type of exercise, take 30 seconds of rest. Straight leg raises. Lie down on your back with your hands either at your sides or underneath your glutes for added back support. Raise both legs off of the ground, then return the legs to your starting position. Repeat it minimum 30 times. If you feel that you can't raise your legs in a 90-degree angle, then try to raise your legs in a 60-degree angle or 45-degree angle. This one is the most effective, especially for your lower abs. V-seated abs hold. In a seated position, start by placing your hands flat on the ground behind your back in line with your hips. Raise your legs slowly at an angle of 45 degrees. Slowly try to extend your hands forward in line with your shins. Try to balance yourself and hold this position. You can hold the position for a longer time as you progress. Repeat this movement for 5 to 10 times. This can build core strength by working multiple areas of the core at the same time. Flutters. Lie down on your back. Place your hands under your glutes below. Keeping your legs stick straight, raise your one leg and lower the leg at the starting point and raise the other one, focusing on keeping your core engaged. Continue the movement, alternating between legs. Count like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. You have to complete 30 repetitions on each leg. If you can't do continuously, then divide it into 3 sets. X mountain climbers. Get into a plank position. Make sure to distribute your weight evenly between your hands and toes. Check your form. Your hands should be about shoulder width apart, back flat, abs engaged and head in alignment. Pull your right knee into your chest as far as you can. Switch legs, pulling one knee out and bringing the other knee in. Try to keep your hips down. Run your knees in and out as far and as fast as you can. Alternate inhaling and exhaling with each leg change. You have to continue for 30 repetitions on each side. X plank. Start in plank position and reach one hand to opposite foot. Return to plank and repeat on the other side. You have to continue for 30 repetitions on each side. So you can count like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Like this, you have to count for 30 times. After a few seconds, you will feel the stretch on your abs muscle. As I said before, if you can't do it for 30 repetitions continuously, then divide it into 3 sets. And keep breathing, don't hold your breath. If you are a beginner, this workout might seem a little bit difficult for you, but trust me, after doing it continuously for 15 days, it will be easy for you. And always remember, the pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. So keep pushing yourself, feel the pain and be strong. If you want to stay fit, you have to do workout daily and you have to maintain a healthy diet. I have shared so many healthy recipes. You can just go to the playlist and check the healthy recipes. If you continue this workout for minimum 15 days on daily basis, I promise you guys, you're gonna notice that your belly fat is actually melting. And these are the workouts I'm doing on daily basis for my abs currently, and this is really effective, I'm telling you guys. So please continue this workout. You will really notice some differences. For those who are beginners, these workouts will be a little bit hard, but don't worry, you can do it as well. You can do 10 repetitions for each and every workout I have shown. First week you can do 10 repetitions, second week 20 repetitions, and third week 30 repetitions. And like this you can increase your repetition, and that will really work. But you have to continue on daily basis. Sometimes we do everything we can do possibly to get rid of this stubborn belly fat, but still it's not working. And there are so many reasons of that. I have made one video on this particular topic. I will share the link below. Please check this out. This will really help you. So yeah, that was the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Then please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. And please let me know in comment below that what kind of workout video you really want me to make for you guys. So we'll meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye. Stay fit, stay healthy.